Hey, we back again, everybody. So make sure you guys are subscribing to this channel and hitting the like button. So this is a kit from Temu, and we're going to be working on my red iguana hand today. It came in this little pack right here. It just says acrylic nail kit new. But I'm going to, of course, you're going to see the name on the screen. But let's unbox it, and then I'll let you know what it has in it. Okay, box is empty. File. 3 tiny brushes, dapping dish, white 20 grams, clear 20 grams, pink 20 grams, and my favorite forms they're my favorite now that I've tried them, and 60 milliliters of acrylic liquid. I'm trying to see if it say MMA free. I don't see that, nor was the other one that was posted on Friday say that as well. So I don't know if it's MMA free, but let's get to opening everything and we get started. All right, you guys. So these forms look the same, but they're definitely not as durable as the other ones. So I'm going to have to hold it in place when it comes down to have some of that off. Comes down to putting it on my form because it's definitely more flimsier. And I hope y'all guys can see it. So I definitely can't even let the hand go so that it can go down. So I'm going to have to hold it. And guys, this one I believe was, I think, $8 or $9. But you'll see in the description exactly how much it was. The powder isn't bad. It's just this brush is horrid though. It doesn't even have, like, their brushes don't even, this kit brush doesn't even come with like the number of what it is. They have 3 brushes with no number. I'm assuming this has to be probably like a 12 or something. Trying to hold the form in place as well. And I'm quite sure this is going to be sped up, because this ain't it, honey. It's not it. Try to put a little bit more to blend it. Oh my goodness, you guys. Y'all see I just did that? Oh my gosh. Probably didn't see, but I actually put the whole brush into, and now my water is murky with white. Not water, but my monomer is murky with white because I actually put my brush into my white powder. But we're going to keep moving. And excuse how I sound. Was out in that cold earlier, and I think it's like trying to have me cough or something. Once again, you have a light, and this looks almost clear, like clear. There's definitely no ombre going on with this at all. And this brush, horrible, is very thin. Y'all, I look like I don't know what I'm doing at this point with this brush, to be honest. And having to hold this form. Oh boy. I look like I don't know what I'm doing. But y'all, this kit, I'm not even gonna go with the clear. Going with the clear. Let me make sure. Pink. Do y'all see pink? No. So The acrylic, you know, seems nice. Okay. Well, I'm going to just say okay because, you know, but the brushes aren't good. The monomer isn't strong at all. It's not strong. It's pretty decent. You can get away with that. The forms that comes with it is very flimsy. The brushes are flimsy. The acrylic, however, look like something that you probably can work with as a beginner. I'm going to give it about a 6, maybe 6.5. But as you see, I'm wrapping this up because this is a no for me. It's a no for me, and it's definitely going to be one that I send out to someone. And you know, I decided to start working on my hands since I want to give them out to people. So I'm going to be working on my mannequin hand so that you know it's more sanitary. But yeah, this is a no for me and definitely one for the giveaway. So once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to start doing the giveaways and sending these things out, you guys, free of charge to whoever the winner is. So make sure you guys are liking, commenting, and subscribing to the videos as we continue to do these. And of course, I'm going to put in some extra stuff as well. But I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.